Dear class, hope you all are fine and stay at home. I welcome you again in grade 7 in your computer class. Class, today we are going to start our third chapter, that is the formula and functions. This chapter is very important and very easy to understand. Why? Because in the earlier days or in the future coming, this chapter, that is the Excel, plays a very important role in your life. Why? Because with the help of formulas and functions in Excel, you can easily calculate various types of calculations related to your addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So basically it includes various types of formulas and functions. So Microsoft Excel has many capabilities that make it suitable for use as a data or as a management tool. Why? Because it can provide multiple features like calculations, entering of data, calculating of formulas, functions, etc. So Excel makes use of formulas, that is the mathematical, and it can expressed in an Excel way. So formulas are used to calculate various additions, subtraction, division and multiplication. It establishes a relation between two or more cells. So formulas in Microsoft Excel begin with an equal sign. So the equal sign tells Excel that the succeeding characters which constitute a formula. So if we want to calculate any arithmetic calculations in Excel, we have to start with it as a equal sign. So this is a picture of your equal sign. So with the help of the Excel, we can calculate various types of operators, formulas, etc. So it includes various operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division or an exponents. So these are the basic formulas which are used in a Excel concept. So now this is a picture which shows that how we can calculate the Excel. So here is equal to sign means equal sign. Here sum means function name, and a1 raised to power a20 is an argument. So this is a way that how we can calculate the various type of calculations in the Excel. So it includes cell reference, arithmetical operations like multiplication, division, subtraction, etc. and the consonant which represents in the form of a percentage. So class, your formula must be begin with an equal to symbol which followed by cell references and the operators. Here operators means different signs like multiplication, division, etc. So it may contain any one or more of the following elements like references, operators, constants and functions. First of all, we can discuss here references. The cell or a range of cells that you want to use in calculations, that is called a references. Second one is the operators. It can represent the symbols which are used to calculate various types of performance in the Excel. Third one is the constants. So these are the numbers or text values that do not change. Next one is the functions. It is a predefined formula in Excel. So what function we want to do in Excel, it's totally depend on our need. Like if we want to calculate the total sum, so we can click on the button function, that is the addition. So these are the various elements in formulas in Excel. So here it is written that is equal to A2 plus B2, then multiplied by C4, then minus sum. So is equal to means equal sign, mathematical operators here plus sign and the multiplication signs. And here function is the sum, the output that is given by calculating all these activities is called the function.